Yeah. We already have that Bluey. Oh, yeah, we have that already. Oh yeah, we bought that one. It's not. It's broken. No, no, we're not gonna buy that. It's broken again. Yeah, just play it here. No, last time. It's yeah. That's Minnie Mouse. Oh, you have that telephone before? I know. Yeah, but we're not buying anymore. If you broke it, then it's not. Yeah, go on the other aisle. You want to check on the other aisle? Okay. Oh yeah, you want that Barbie instead? Yeah, we can buy Barbie. You want that one? Yeah, we can buy that Barbie if you want that one. Yeah, only one. Remember? Here's about Barbie here. You can buy this Barbie here. Yeah, you wanna buy Barbie here? Oh, there's Dad. And then did you give me a K cup? No, I need two water, one for my office too. So I don't need to get. I think the one I took is 30. Yeah. Okay, then buy three then. I got one. Yeah. Yep, that's two. See, just do the Barbie there here. Yeah, just get the Barbie here. No, just oh those tiny Barbie. Oh wow. Here. She's just looking, enjoying. There's Daddy. Just do it here. Jilana, Daddy's waiting, so you need to pick now. Yep. Wow, look at this Barbie. That's 45.49. That's for the holiday. Oh, because her hands is moving. $45. Yeah, you can do that one. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. That's $10.